This is the visualization of Kruskal algorithm used to find the minimum spanning tree of a graph. First we start adding nodes. Every time I click on a screen, a new node appears. I add total of 4 nodes. Next, I connect the nodes. I click on node A, then node B, and a line is drawn between them. A weight is then assigned to this edge. I repeat this step to connect all the nodes in a graph. As you can see, step by step, I connect the nodes and also give the weight. Now the graph is ready. Then start on Kruskal. The visualization being showing how to the algorithm select the shortest possible edges step by step. Now I can create another graph, this time with 7 nodes. Just like before, I add all the nodes and connect them with weighted edges. As you can see, I connected the nodes as the same weight as the weight. Once the graph is ready, I will show you. As you can see, the graph is ready. We start the Kruskal. As you can see, the visualization is started. You can see the visualization is complete. The shortest pathway is created. The total MST weight is 19.
Assalamu alaikum. Starting with the greatest name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Today we are to present our project developed using Kruskal's algorithm in JavaFX. Kruskal's algorithm is greedy algorithm used to find the minimum spanning tree of a connected, undirected, and weighted graph. It works sorting all the edges in ascending order of their weights and then adding one by one, making sure no cycles are formed. This continues until our vertices are connected. Now I will run our project. As you can see, there is a button on the left corner. When I click the random button, a random graph is generated automatically. Next, when I click on start button, the visualization of the algorithm begins. By clicking next button, the next step of the algorithm is displayed. If I click the previous button, the last step is shown again. And finally, clicking the reset button clears the screen. Thank you.
Now I will demonstrate about the random button. Here random button generates randomly the Kruskal algorithm. As you can see that whenever I click it creates randomly, and whenever I start Kruskal it creates the connection between two nodes with edges. So now I will reset it, and now I will create customizably or manually. Here we will create many nodes and here I will connect with two nodes with edges or weight. So as we know that we can also create with minus value. Here I will give it -3 value, and here I will give only 12 value, and now from here to here I will give it 10 value. From here to here I will give only 9. From here to here I will give it to only 5, and from here to here I will give it only 3. And as we know that we start algorithm by start button start Kruskal. Here you can see that here you can see that it creates the as we know that it will generate the connection with the lowest value. And here I will click on start Kruskal, and it will select the -3 value firstly. Here you can see that it's selected -3 and then 3 and then 5 and then 9 and then 10. That's all.